What do you see in this pile of bushes that could be dangerous? Well, give you a hint. I call it a pile of fire. You'll be walking along out here, just minding your own business, enjoying the outdoors, and then you'll step on that and ruin your whole day. So, word to the wise, while you're out here, watch out for rattlesnakes, and definitely watch out for fire ant hills. Because the last thing you want to do is get swarmed by one of these while you're out camping or on a nice hike or even working. It will ruin your entire day. Stay safe, everybody. And remember, avoid piles that look like this.